As a program management expert, I understand that efficient financial tracking is not just about numbers. It's about maintaining control, making informed decisions, and ensuring the smooth operation of any project or business. One of the most common pain points for small businesses, freelancers, and project managers is managing expenses, particularly the never-ending stream of receipts. This often leads to manual data entry, lost receipts, and a frantic scramble come tax time. So, does FreshBooks, a popular accounting software, offer a solution to this perennial problem? The short answer is a resounding yes. FreshBooks has robust receipt capture capabilities. It's a core feature designed to streamline expense management, transforming what can be a chaotic task into a seamless, automated process. Let's dive into how FreshBooks tackles receipt capture and why it's a vital component of effective financial program management. The challenge of receipt management in project execution. From a program management perspective, every expense, no matter how small, is a data point that contributes to the overall financial health and profitability of a project or an entire business. Imagine you're managing a project with multiple team members, each incurring various expenses, from software subscriptions and office supplies to travel and client entertainment. Without an efficient system, you face several risks. Lost or damaged receipts. Paper receipts fade, get crumpled, or simply disappear. This means losing out on potential tax deductions or accurate project cost tracking. Manual data entry errors. Typing out every receipt detail is not only time-consuming but also prone to human error, leading to inaccuracies in your financial records. Delayed expense reconciliation. Waiting until the end of the month or quarter to process expenses creates a backlog and makes it difficult to get a real-time view of your project's financial status. Lack of audit trail. For compliance and transparency, having a clear and verifiable record for every expense is crucial. FreshBooks' receipt capture feature directly addresses these challenges, turning them into opportunities for efficiency and accuracy. How FreshBooks powers your receipt capture. FreshBooks integrates several methods to ensure you can capture receipts effortlessly, regardless of whether they are physical or digital. This multifaceted approach is what makes it so effective for diverse business needs. Mobile app scanning. Snap and go. This is arguably the most popular and convenient method. The FreshBooks mobile app, available for iOS and Android, allows you to use your smartphone's camera to snap a picture of any paper receipt. Process. Simply open the app, navigate to the expenses section, and tap the camera icon. Take a clear photo of your receipt. Technology. FreshBooks leverages optical character recognition, OCR technology. This sophisticated tech reads the image of your receipt and automatically extracts key information such as vendor/merchant name, date of purchase, total amount, taxes paid, sometimes even line items. Benefits. This virtually eliminates manual data entry on the go. You capture the expense as soon as it happens, preventing lost receipts and ensuring real-time expense tracking. Email forwarding. For digital receipts that land in your inbox, e.g., online purchases, software subscriptions, travel bookings, FreshBooks offers a dedicated email address unique to your account. Process. You simply forward these digital receipts directly to your FreshBooks expense email address. Technology. Similar to mobile scanning, FreshBooks' intelligent system processes the emailed content, extracts the relevant expense details, and creates an expense entry in your account. Benefits. This is incredibly convenient for managing online purchases and subscription services, keeping all digital expense records in one centralized place. Uploading from your computer. If you have scanned receipts or digital expense files, PDFs, images, already saved on your computer, you can easily upload them directly to your FreshBooks account via the web interface. Process. Log into your FreshBooks account on a web browser, go to Expenses, and use the Upload function. Benefits. Ideal for batch uploading historical receipts or those captured with a dedicated scanner. Beyond capture, intelligent expense management. Capturing receipts is just the first step. FreshBooks takes it further with intelligent expense management features that are critical for accurate financial reporting and project profitability. Automated categorization. While OCR extracts basic details, FreshBooks can also learn from your previous entries and automatically suggest categories for your expenses, e.g., office supplies, travel, meals, and entertainment. This saves significant time and ensures consistency in your financial records. Linking to bank and credit card feeds. FreshBooks can connect directly to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically importing transactions. The receipt capture feature then allows you to easily match these captured receipts to the imported transactions, creating a complete and verifiable record. This is a powerful reconciliation tool. Marking expenses as billable. For project managers or freelancers, it's essential to track expenses that can be billed back to clients. FreshBooks allows you to easily mark an expense as billable and then pull it directly onto an invoice. This ensures you don't leave money on the table. Project-specific expense tracking. You can assign expenses to specific projects or clients, giving you a granular view of project costs and profitability. This is invaluable for budget adherence and post-project analysis. Comprehensive reporting. With all your expenses accurately captured and categorized, FreshBooks can generate various reports, including expense reports, detailed breakdowns of all your spending, profit and loss statements, to understand your overall financial performance, tax summaries, to simplify tax preparation by providing all necessary expense data, secure cloud storage. All captured receipts and expense data are securely stored in the cloud. This means no more shoeboxes of paper, and your financial records are accessible anytime, anywhere, and backed up against loss.